A very warm welcome to respected principal, my dear teachers, friends and everyone present here. Today I am here to deliver a speech on Teachers' Day virtually. Before starting my speech, I would like to wish you all a very happy Teachers' Day. Let me start my speech. Teachers' Day in India is celebrated on 5th of September in the remembrance of Dr. Radhakrishnan, former President of India. Teachers' Day is thus celebrated to honor the hardships as well as to acknowledge their special role in our lives. Teachers' Day is not only celebrated in India but also it is celebrated worldwide to appreciate the power of teaching. Different countries celebrate this day on different dates, but UNESCO officially declared the 5th of October as the World Teachers' Day in 1994. I would like to further extend my speech by saying importance and roles and responsibility of teachers. Teachers are not only teaching us subjects, they are also teaching us discipline, moral values in life, punctuality, life ethics, etc. They are the moral support of each and every individual from our childhood. Teachers are our supporting pillars who play an important role in guiding us throughout our student life. Future professionals, sports persons, politicians, entrepreneurs are being nurtured today by the teachers. Thus, a teacher has a major role to play in shaping the future of the students and help them become successful in their respective careers. We all have gathered here to honor and appreciate the teachers who are the major reasons for the successful career of the students. It is indeed an honor and privilege to be taught by them. They have not only guided us professionally but also helped us personally in all our problems with utmost care, understanding and belief in us. Teachers are the most important person in every one of our lives. They are the only right guidance who shows the correct path from our childhood after our parents. According to me, teachers are the representation of patience, sacrifice, wisdom and motivation. Teachers are the source of self-confidence. Good teachers are like good books. Whatever you learn from them will be with you forever as a great lesson. I am very happy to have lovely teachers who are very cooperative, supportive. Even though we are all stuck up in pandemic, they clear doubts very well and helping throughout like a classroom. Teachers are the backbone of everyone and the future is in their hands. Only they can find the right potential of each individual and help us to grow it bigger. Teachers are the living God who help each individual and also the society. Roles and responsibility of teachers are wide and their true hardship, helping tendency, their sincere effort, hard work, dedication. No words to express my thanks to them. Teachers are the real heroes of the society and backbone of every student. I would like to conclude my speech by thanking all the teachers for their involvement, hard work and for the support and guidance. We are very fortunate to have you in our life. We will definitely reach our goals and will be successful in our life. Thanks for the motivation and the self-confidence. Thanks much for all the support and guidance in the virtual classes. Happy Teachers' Day. Thank you one and all.